Hi, this is Ramesh Khanal. I am an area manager for Scripts for Less prescription drug card company. What we do is give away free prescription discount cards. As you can see here, the prescription discount cards right here, and those cards can be used at more than 60,000 pharmacies all across the country, and to save up to 85% on prescription medications. So as a consumer, they don't have to pay anything. Just show it to the pharmacy, and then they will be able to save up to 85%. And you can see my contact information there, the address ibourl.com/IR6. You can see my photo and my video links to my videos, my blogs, and the contact me button, and then live chat if I'm online, and then IBO rating too. And here I'm going to talk about specifically about the insurance agent sign up. There's a couple of programs, but I'm talking about this insurance agent sign up only. As you click that button, it will take to a new window. There it explains how it works, how the program works. What it does basically is convert your business card into a prescription drug card that people can use to save up to 85% on their prescription medications. So basically, you provide us a copy of your business card, and the other side of the business card would be used as a prescription drug card. We convert the business card into a prescription discount card. So what it does for you is set you apart from your competition while creating a wonderful residual income source using the business card that otherwise would be thrown into a trash. Usually, I would not say always. And you can see here how much you get paid, up to $2 per qualified transaction, per qualified prescription filled. It starts with $1 and $1.50 and then $2. You can read those couple of paragraphs where you can find all the information needed, and then go further down. Once you read the information, go further down and then sign up. There's no cost for signing up. There's no monthly cost. There's no web hosting cost. Nothing like that. Just provide your information. Your name, address, city, zip code, email address, telephone number, and then referred by. In that referred by box, you need to enter somebody's information. Mine is FDPE1392. Again, FDPE1392. If this video is brought to you by somebody else in my team, please enter their information. If you don't have that, please contact me. I'll provide the information. And once you do that, go further down. Once you submit the information, go further down. You can see there the cards. You need to order the cards. Until and unless you order the cards, you will not be able to earn the commission. We will not be able to provide the business cards that also have prescription drug cards. So you need to order. You can order 5,000 cards for $64.95. That will come down to about a little more than a penny a piece. Or you can also order 1,000 cards for $34.95. However, that may not be as economical compared to buying 5,000 cards. Once you add that to your card, it will take you to a new window. It will take you to a new window. There you need to log in. However, login is using your PayPal account, and then order the cards, entering your credit card information or things like that. And so that's it. You don't need much. All you have to do is to submit your information, and that your business card will be printed. On the back of the business card will be printed a prescription drug card that you can give to your clients, to anybody you meet, to your prospects, to other insurance agents, whoever you meet. And then also, if you would like to invite other friends or families or other insurance agents, that you can get an override of up to $1 per qualified prescription filled using the cards they give away. Not just you, they also give away their own cards, and then from their efforts you get an override of up to $1. So that is wonderful. So here there is a wonderful opportunity getting your business card converted into a prescription drug card while creating a residual income while helping other people that need the most. So that's it, nothing much. If you'd like to contact me, or if you like to talk to me about some of the details or how it works, please do not hesitate. My email address is rmkkhanal @yahoo.com. Once again, rmkkhanal @yahoo.com. So please join and then start helping others and earning yourself a residual income. Thanks.